What's up, drivers? Smile up, man. Smile up. Alright, look, LYFT making changes to the app. And I'll be honest, I do like it, okay? I love the new feature that we have goals to set. It's great motivation. You know, the hardest thing for a full-time driver is to get motivated again every day to get out there, all right? Every day we have to look for some type of motivation. I tried to switch the weekly goal, but I couldn't find it. So I emailed them and they said it pops up randomly if you don't make your weekly goals or if you do make your weekly goals every week. All right, so it will just pop up and ask you, do you want to switch your weekly goals? All right, you can't just go in there and randomly switch it. It's kind of a good thing that you're not allowed to switch it whenever you want to, because the goal is there. The goal is for you to get it. All right, so LYFT, thumbs up on that one. I give you that. That's a good option. That's a good feature. And did you get this? What? Boy, when I was getting that, I was like, yo, this is crazy, son. Now that's a big feature right there. But it disappeared. So I emailed them. What happened to the feature? They was like, it's just something we're testing, you know, only for the platinum drivers we tested this feature. So if you wasn't platinum, it wasn't happening. And I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's a great thing for the drivers, all right? Because I know when I'm in a country away from the city and it'll be a ride maybe 15 minutes away to go grab, and I don't want to go grab them because I'm thinking like, man, are they going to the gas station and back? Or are they just getting dropped off several blocks? You know, it's like, why would I drive 15 minutes away out there and do a short trip and be further out in the country? So that feature lets you know what's going on. You know, it'll let you know before you pick up that ride is going to be 5 or 10 minutes. All right, so you know they're going around a corner or a gas station. So it's not good for the passengers because people are not going to take that ride. But if people do not take that ride enough, it will prime for them. Now, if I see a prime on there, I'm going to go out there and get it. Prime time will be good for the driver because we going way out there, man. It has to be worth it. I'm glad you put that to the test. That's a great feature. And I like when you guys show when the volume's up, when most rides are going on. And you really can't predict that, but it is a common sense, meaning that on rush hour when people going to work, coming from work, the volume's up. Everybody needs a ride back and forth. So it's really kind of hard to predict that because if it rains, a lot of drivers go home, volume goes up. So I don't know if they switch the volume in a graph up and down, but when I look at it, it always looked the same. So, but it's good for new drivers to know. Now, LYFT, what the freak did you do to my power drive bonus? How could you do this to me, man? You hurt my feelings, man.
Excuse me, sir. There's always Uber.
What? They took away the power drive bonus, which dropped me $55. So now, with the power drive bonus, I had 110 rides, which was $255. Now, they call it the weekly ride challenge, which dropped it to $200. This is in Atlanta. I mean, LYFT, for the vets, you could at least left us with the $255, man. I'm sure the money is different in every state, But I'm not sure if this goes for every driver, because I know the power drive bonus went for the year of your car. Okay, a certain year and up for your car. Alright, but I'm just like, dang, y'all just took away your boy $55? Come on, man. If you bring that feature back to let us know how far the ride going, that's an extra thumbs up. So I give the app a thumbs up, man. It's great, okay? I gotta give you guys that. But to my $55, you mean, I'm giving that a thumbs down, man. Either way, I'm out there, you out there, because the money's out there. That's why we out there. Smile up, man. We ride share drivers, bro. We can work anytime we want. Be safe.
Terry Tips. Stay tuned to Terry Tips.